Children, I, Rehana Kasli, representing Bright Star International School, Billimora, would like to explain you the topic measurement of maths subject. In Mayflower Sem 2 book, page number 99, my topic is measuring weight. Weight tell us how heavy something is. A heavier thing will have more weight and a lighter thing will have less weight. Look at here. The dog is here. One has dog and one has elephant. The dog weight is less, means the dog is lighter, and the elephant weight is more, so elephant is heavier. Now this second picture here, car. One has car and one has telephone. The car weight is more, so the car is heavier, and the phone weight is less, so phone is lighter. Now our exercise is take the one that is heavier. In this picture, one has sunflower and one has coconut tree. So we can understand which one is heavier, sunflower or tree. So tree is heavier. So we put on tick mark tree picture. Now next picture, that one lock and one key. So lock is heavier and key is lighter. So we have to tick mark on lock because lock is heavier. Now next, take the one who is heavier. Look at here. Two children playing on seesaw. One is go upside and other go down. So who has go upside, that weight is lighter. So and who has go downside, that weight is heavier. So now we have to tick mark on heavier. We tick on here. Okay. These two boys are two children are here playing on seesaw. One is going up and one go down. So whose weight is more, they go down. So we have to tick mark on heavier weight. So this boy's weight is heavier. So we put tick mark on these boys. Okay. Now next, measuring weight using a balance. Measuring weight using a balance. We use a balance to measure weight. A balance has two pens, 1 and 2. We put things on the two pens. One pen also we have to put things and other pen also we have to put things. So which pen is heavier, they will go down. So here look at here have watermelon, here have 2 watermelon and here 4. So 4 watermelon weight is more, so that is came down. So heavier things go down. Okay. So now take the heavier pen. Now our exercise, take the heavier pen. So now we can see here also two things, watermelon and mango. So watermelon weight is more, so that pen came down. So we tick mark in here because this is the heavier things. Heavier things will go down. Heavier pen came down, so we tick on here. Now next, here also two pens, that which pen came down, that is the heavier. So this we see this here, this is up and this is down. So this pen thinks is heavier. This pen thinks is heavier. Now next exercise, lighter pen. Lighter means less. These two things is given here. Which things is less, that pen go up. This is more things, so that pen go down. This is less things, so this pen go up. So less things means lighter, so lighter pen go up, so we tick on here. Less things, we tick on less things, go up these things. Now here also we can see heavier things go down and lighter things go up. So which is less things? This one. Lighter things go up, so we tick in here. Okay. Now next we use some no weight to measure the weight of an object. When the two pens balance, the things on both the pens have the same weight. Two pens is here, both the pens have same weight. The weight of the notebook is the same as the weight of 3 apples. Here one pen have notebook and one pen have notebook and one pen have 3 apples. So both balance is same. Means one notebook is equal that of 3 apples. One notebook equal that of 3 apples. Now our exercise, the weight of the bottles equal that of this mango. Here have 2 pens. One pens have a bottle and other pens have mangoes. How many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that both balance is same, means both balance is equal. So one bottle equal that of 4 mangoes. A bottle is equal that of 4 mangoes. Now next, the weight of lunch box equal that of this mango. Here also 2 pens. One pens have tiffin box and one pen have mangoes. So how many mangoes is here? 2 mangoes. So one tiffin box weight is equal of 2 mangoes. So the weight of the lunch box equal that of 2 mangoes. Now next, the weight of the pencil box equal that of this apple. So look at here. There are 2 pens. One pens have pencil box and one pens have apples. So how many apples? 2 apples. So one pencil box weight is same of 2 apples. So weight of the pencil box is equal that of 2 apples. Means this balance is same. Same means equal. Okay. So children, this activity you have to write in your test book. I will send in PDF. Thank you. Thank you children.